Make this about you, bro. Let's make this about you. Mr. X, comments. Alright, that's enough. I won't put you on camera. So that's my buddy. We're not gonna say who it is or who he is, what he does. He's my friend that never wants to be in the YouTube videos. And look at
Mr. X.
You can DM all your dick pics to his Instagram in the description below. Man, it's been a while, man. Damn, what to say. We're gonna hit to this car meet, Society's Finest. We used to go to a couple of their car meets, but it's been a while. It's raining season right now in Miami, so we haven't been going to a lot of these meets. The rain's just, no one wants to go to car meets, but we're gonna go now, and it's gonna be a good time with the homies, especially Mr. X here. And we'll catch you at the meet now.
It's out, dude.
Oh, those wheels. Let me get your wheels. Damn.
They even brought their own little ice cream truck from the other meet.
Is that what it is?
That's what.
It's tight as fuck.
Get on the car, dude. Get on the car.
Yeah, are you serious?
What?
He's trying to get you the model, man. This is WRX. This is the babier version.
This is my friend likes.
This is the all-wheel drive. This is it. But if you get the STI and the big boy version,
Yo, but for the STI, it's like 10 grand more.
it's a lot more
Or like
expensive,
15
man.
more.
But that color right there, that's like the fanboy color. That's fire. 350. That's brother.
Why does everybody go single on a 350?
Because it's homemade, dog.
It's homemade?
It's homemade, dog. You never heard about that? Fresh kicks. You can't see yourself in the challenge?
What?
You can't see yourself in the
Bro, I can see
I
that,
totally
dude.
see
Mr. X.
Right, because he's a big
big
boy.
as hell.
He said the car's built like him. That's what he
That's
wants.
what I'm saying, dude. It's built wide like me.
Oh, you should get a Miata now.
Convertible Miata.
Or that.
What's up, bro?
Dude, someone's got to start this meet right. Do a burnout.
Yeah, shut up, shut up. Don't do it, bro. Where'd you park? Yeah, sure.
My brother.
Oh, that's fucking Tony.
That's your car?
That's my car, dude.
That's your car?
That's my car.
It's crazy.
Yo! What's up, homie?
What's up, man? How's it going, guys?
Good. Damn, I wish you could have parked next to me.
Damn, bro. Where I'll park right now.
It's the car that you sold?
I lost the little bottom part piece.
The splash shield?
Yeah, I started scraping on the highway.
When you go too far on a parking thing, it takes it.
Oh, shit.
Hey, so what? Is Rebo tight on now?
Yeah, part out.
You're selling it and getting me out, right?
Harry, why does he have that little thing on it?
It's a tow hook. It's like a fake JDM thing.
I like those.
Like that gold? Like that gold? That's your thing, man.
I mean,
There's the Prelude with the silver stockies, a base, and Ferradas. Which was
Parked over here.
I don't know. It's a dirt lot.
Color's really nice, that blue.
That blue? I didn't even see it. It's free now. Oh, no, bang bang. Hey, yo!
You know how I like it.
Is your hood see-through? Huh? Your hood see-through, huh?
Yeah.
That shit is dope. And it's carbon fiber. What? That shit is so cool. Yeah, it's wide. It's pretty fucking wide. Somebody has a Prelude in the group. That's cool.
Simply clean.
he just got this car. It has like a white.
350, 350, 370 Amuse. I love this. I need this. Got carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's real.
I really like Hot Boys.
Just scratch.
See? Hey, let's ask him right now. There now. rap. It is rap. Hey, but look at this shit. Look at all the
buddy, you
people.
recording?
It becomes out like cucarachas.
You recording? I'm gonna do a burnout.
You gonna do a burnout?
Yeah, man.
So,
Going on YouTube or something?
yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
That G35 is trying to give you competition, man. Hey, I didn't put you up to this. For sure, bro. Yeah, she's so cute, yo.
What are you guys doing?
I want to get footage on the street if people start leaving and doing crazy shit. Me vamos right now. Yeah? Sure. Yo, I was about to catch a world star moment with the Mustang crashing. What? Yo.
Hey, this is my meat. And I'm not gonna have none of that. So stop recording.
Start recording and start.
No, don't film it because.
What the fuck is this?
Better.
Oh, yeah,
She's super nice.
what's your name?
Sadie's.
What?
She's Sadie's. I'm Stephanie.
Sadie, Stephanie.
Like Mercedes.
Yeah. Oh, she's so cute.
Thank you.
This thing's hot.
God damn, nigga.
You late in the motherfucker. Okay, before we get kicked out. Alright, yo, we out. That's it for tonight. It was kind of lit. Almost got kicked out for filming. That's whack, but it is what it is. Peace.
Slow down.
Hold down, bro.
So your boy pulled up over here to this spot, and then they copied me. Javier had to park over here, and then we went from over there to over here, and this Eclipse tried to park with us, but the Eclipse can't park with us because we're Nissans. You're gonna do a burnout.
Later.